In the world of Hollywood, Vin Diesel is a name that resonates with action-packed blockbusters like Fast and Furious, XXX, and the Chronicles of Riddick. But what many might not know is that behind the tough, muscular exterior lies a passionate Dungeons and Dragons (D&D) fan. Yes, you heard it right. Vin Diesel, the man who races cars, fights villains, and saves the world on the big screen, is an avid player of the beloved tabletop role-playing game. For over 2 decades, Diesel has immersed himself in the realms of D&D, dedicating countless hours to crafting epic adventures and embodying unique characters. One character, in particular, holds a special place in Diesel's heart: Melkor. This extraordinary D&D creation is no ordinary hero. Melkor is a half-giraffe, half-witch hunter, a truly bizarre combination that showcases Diesel's wild and imaginative spirit. So passionate was he about this character that he made a permanent mark on his body, having Melkor's name tattooed on his stomach. Talk about dedication. But Diesel's love for D&D doesn't stop at playing the game. In 2015, he took his passion to the next level by bringing his beloved character to life on the silver screen in the film, The Last Witch Hunter. Although the movie didn't receive widespread acclaim, it served as a testament to Diesel's unwavering commitment to his D&D adventures. However, even with his fame and success, Diesel experienced a pang of envy when his Fast and Furious co-star, Michelle Rodriguez, landed a role in the 2023 film Dungeons and Dragons: Honor Among Thieves. As Rodriguez revealed, Diesel keeps a treasure trove of D&D-related items in his closet, a secret stash of inspiration that fuels his creative endeavors as a filmmaker. So, why is this story about Vin Diesel's D&D obsession so intriguing? Well, it's a fascinating glimpse into the multifaceted nature of one of Hollywood's biggest stars. It shows us that beneath the tough guy image, Diesel is a true geek at heart, unafraid to embrace his nerdy side and share his passion for fantasy and role-playing games with the world. For all the Vin Diesel enthusiasts out there, this story is a reminder that even our favorite action heroes have their own hidden worlds and passions waiting to be discovered. And embark on your own epic adventures, just like Vin Diesel and his unforgettable character, Melkor.